Hi there. Today I will be explaining about how to synchronize OneDrive with your laptop. Before we begin, it's important to understand why synchronization is useful. Syncing ensures that your important documents, photos, and files are always backed up and accessible from anywhere. If you want to synchronize OneDrive with your laptop, then what you have to do, make sure your Microsoft account is created and you have sign in your Microsoft account in your computer. Here you can see this one is my Microsoft account and it's sign in. You can create a Microsoft account easily by visiting the official Microsoft website and signing up using your email address. Once that's done, just use those credentials to log in on your laptop. Because once you sign in, then all the apps just like OneDrive will be automatically synchronized with your computer or with your laptop. You don't have to do anything special. If I tap on this arrow here, you can see this one is the OneDrive and it is my personal drive. And if I double click on it, you can see it's already synchronizing with my computer, and I don't have to do anything. The synchronization status is usually shown with a green check mark or a blue syncing icon next to each file or folder. This helps you confirm whether your files are up to date. In order to upload any data, I just need to move to that folder where I have my file, and then I will copy that and will paste in this OneDrive. You can also drag and drop files directly into the OneDrive folder just like you do with any other folder on your computer. And now you can see once I upload that file with the help of my folder that will be in my OneDrive. So for synchronizing it with your laptop, we'll just have to sign in our Microsoft account. And if it's not working, then click on it and do right-click on this arrow and make sure it's not pause. If I click on it, you can see it is not pause and it's working properly. If it is paused, just click on Resume Syncing and it should start syncing your files again. Also, make sure your internet connection is active because syncing won't work without it. So with the help of this, you can synchronize OneDrive with your laptop, and that's it. And don't forget, keeping your OneDrive in sync means your files are safe and always within reach.